It's been a year since Melburnians were first ordered to mask up. While some aspects of lockdown are now second nature for many Victorians, calls to crisis support service Lifeline have spiked again.
We're seeing a bit of a change from anxiety to anger about this as people want a solution, and that solution ultimately includes vaccination, and at the same time people are angry because they can't get the vaccination they want.
Getting a vaccine is being made easier for some of the community's most vulnerable. Pop-up clinics are being opened to vaccinate the homeless.
To be able to bring this service to them where they are is just such a fantastic initiative.
Among the thousands getting a jab in Victoria today was the Chief Health Officer.
Job done.
It was his second AstraZeneca shot.
There are plenty of people who are ready to come forward and get vaccinated now, so it's just a matter of looking forward to the new Pfizer doses that have been brought forward.
While the number of cases is up, the number of infections in the community is down.
3 days ago, some 6% of the daily cases were isolating for the entirety of their infectious period. Yesterday, that was 73%. And today it's 92%.
The list of exposure sites has risen to more than 380. Among them is the Paran Market, where a case visited on Saturday morning.
That does mean 900 people, starting from last Saturday, will be in that 14-day isolation. We'll, of course, work with them to get them tested over the next few days.
Also included is this service station in the Gippsland town of Hayfield. There's been a flurry of testing there after a Melbourne resident who was a close contact stopped for fuel and later tested positive.
And they only made that one stop for petrol, had limited contact with staff, and even disinfected the credit card that they were using before handing it over.
People exposed to positive cases early on in this outbreak will start to get their Day 13 tests from tomorrow. That includes residents of the aerial apartments in Maribyrnong. And those caught up in the MCG exposure are also eyeing their freedom, with their Day 13 tests due this weekend. Nicole Asher, ABC News, Melbourne.